Hello, this is Simon from Scotland. Thank you for joining me on this case study. Clicks and Cash case study. And in today's video, what we done in the last video was we set up some pages. So let's open up the pages, and I want to explain how the actual funnel works so that you understand what we're doing and why we are doing it. So let me just open up these pages and I'll explain the actual sales funnel. So let's have a look at this. Right, so what's going to happen is we have got this page here, which is the actual sales page for the Clicks and Cash funnel. People are going to see this page and they're going to fill out their name and their address. And once they do that, they'll be taken on to the autoresponder, which is in Lead Sleep. I'm going to cover that in maybe in the next video. And I'm covering that in the next video. And today we're just going to explain the actual funnel. Yep, seriously. Right, so the customer the subscriber will see this page and they will sign up for it when they see it, and I'll show you how to advertise that. We do need to take away this advert, and to do that we just need to click on this and go to Launch Editor. Right, you've still got some sleep in your eye, puss. Some sleep in your eye. Go into the Launch Editor, and once the page updates, and on the left hand side you'll see this box here that says hide. You just click on that and then press the green button to save, and that will save it. That will take away the Lead Sleep advert because you don't need to have it on there twice. So once the customer's been taken to this page, they will get an email message asking them to set up the funnel. Once they receive the email, they will be taken to... So they're taken to this page actually. So let's start that again. I made a mistake. Once they fill out their, because that's the bridge page, some sales funnels don't have bridge pages and this one does. And the bridge page really just filters out people that are serious from the people that are not. So when you fill out your name and your email address, you will be taken to this page here where it's asking you to confirm your email address to receive your information. Now with Lead Sleep, you do have a double opt-in feature, so you do have to you will receive an email when you opt in, and you have to confirm your subscription, and that's the only way you're going to get the subscribers activated onto your list. Now there is another way of doing it. Right, so double opt-in, single opt-in. There is a way you can actually circumnavigate this. You can go to another autoresponder, and you can use that, and you don't have to do this opt-in thing. But to be honest, I'm not going to cover it in this video because it is quite a technical thing, and it's really only for it's quite a technical thing. I can do it, but I don't want to complicate this sales funnel. I want to keep it as simple as possible. So the customer sees this and they put in their name and address, takes them to this page here. They opt in, and then they'll receive an email asking them to verify their email, and then once they do that, they'll be taken to this page here where they're thanked for opting in, and then they're encouraged to sign up for the traffic sites Lead Sleep, my lead gen secret, easy cash for ads, and free advertising for you, state-of-the-art mailer. Now, this part here with the sponsor will be changed, and this is the part where you put in your photograph and some links to your Facebook page, your YouTube channel, or your website. Just depends what you want to do. You don't need to use your photograph. It is advisable, but if you're a bit shy, you can use an icon or a cartoon or something like that. Okay, so that's the main page here, and there are instructions as well if you want to go through them. The next page on the funnel that you set up was the actual the setup instructions, and this is what I'm going through with you now. So what we're going to do is we are going to I'm going to get you to, right, we're going to set up our links. Now all this information is actually contained in this training video. I'm just going to quickly go through it now. Which one was it? Yeah, it was this one here. Yeah, so you go through these videos where it says thanks for opting in, and it does actually tell you how to get your affiliate link for each of these particular programs. I suppose I could quickly go through it now with you, but it does actually have this information on there. So if you go through these training videos, it does actually give you if you go through these videos on this page, it does actually explain how to get your affiliate links. So that's the first step of it. So I think I won't go through that with you now, but I would encourage you to get your notepad and put all your links in the notepad. And in the next video, what we will do is we will add the links to the actual funnel. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.